Hello, I'm Eli Castronova. I represent injured people and the families of people that are killed in accidents. When someone dies in a car accident or a slip and fall type of accident, the family suffers a grievous loss, which they usually never completely get over. They lose the love, affection, support, companionship, and all the other facets of their relationship with that person. It could be a parent, brother, sister, child, but whoever it is, that loss is never filled again. I've represented numerous families of clients that were injured or killed in car accidents. And the first thing I do when a family approaches me to represent them for such a loss is I talk to them about who that person was in their life and what it means to them to no longer have them to talk to take walks with, to go to movies with, to support them when they're down, to celebrate with them when they're up. I get to know the family very well, so I know what their loss is. Because when we're dealing with what we call wrongful deaths that are caused by the unnecessary carelessness of another person, we're talking about that loss to their family. And what we do is we try to build that relationship to paint a picture to show what they are now missing in their lives. And we do that by getting photographs of the family together with the deceased person. Videotapes are very good. We also evidence it by showing Mother's Day cards or birthday cards that are given, or little poems or writings that are presented by the dead person to the family. And by that we show what a quality person this is and what a devastating loss it is. Right now we're representing two families with regards to deaths. One of the families is a family of a young man, 27 years old, who was here in Los Angeles trying to become an actor. And he was killed in an accident on his motorcycle when he was going through an intersection on a green light. And a Lyft driver turned left right in front of him. And he was killed within minutes of impacting that Lyft car. The family is just a wonderful family. And by getting videos and getting these cards and photographs and speaking to the family at length, I got to know what a wonderful person their son was and what their loss is. And we're presenting that to the insurance company for Lyft. And we think it's a very substantial claim. And we're going to fight them all the way on that. We have another case in which a young father was walking in a medical office, and he had just received an injection in his back, and he should have been in a wheelchair. He should have been being assisted, but he wasn't. He blacked out, fell, fractured his skull, died within hours. He had a young daughter, about 3 years old. We're representing her through his girlfriend, who is the mother. And she will not have that father for the rest of her life. So what we have to do to make sure that we get a fair recovery for that young girl who will never have her father again, to teach her, to guide her, to love her and support her, we have to show all of that loss and what it is over her entire life. Those are just a few of the cases that we're handling, but as I said, I've handled hundreds, if not over 1,000 death cases in my career. And we're here to make sure that someone who is reckless or who hurts somebody or kills somebody unnecessarily will be held to account and will be made to be responsible for this loss, no matter what we have to do, including going all the way to trial to get a judgment if we have to, which is very often the case. But my office is there to do that, and we are competent in handling those kinds of cases.